This is our Buckethead C1 embalming machine. It is the very first centrifugal, speed-controlled centrifugal embalming machine. I'm sure noticed some similarities to other machines. It does offer pressure and flow regulation by way of return of fluid back to the tank. That's this valve here. However, with one distinct difference, it can be completely shut and offer a true representation of force value. So the pressure value you see there while this is closed is correct. This is known as our true pressure technology. Whereas while there's being relief or return offered when it's open, it is not a true representation of force, which is true about other embalming machines as well. From an operator standpoint, it was designed for ease of use to be within the power band, if you will, of ideal injections per case, because some cases require greater injection, whereas others might require less. And so finding that value is quite easy while the pump is being controlled by speed. So we can mix. You notice there's no pump. You hear no pump until we apply power to the pump. So this works just fine for mixing. For injection, it helps us to find a very mild injection if that's our intention. And every bit of power is available on demand. If we wanted to force the fluid into the tissue, we can close the return back to the tank to ensure it enters the body. But our pressure pulse technology will bring pressure to its lowest value to its highest automatically, increasing and enhancing the vascular Venturi effect, which helps to remove the pooled blood from the body all on its own, making it very safe to introduce an injection of this much power. From a longevity position, there's a few improvements of this design over others. The filter can easily be removed if it needs to be cleaned. The seal does not carry the full circumference of the bucket. It only covers where the plumbing is, making a better seal. And as far as health and safety, this top snaps on and there's a one-way vent. And this is to keep the chemicals in the tank rather than in the operator's lungs. I hope you find this video helpful and that you do not hesitate if you have any additional questions to reach out to me.